In this video today, we're going to talk about acupuncture versus dry needling and the differences in how one versus the other provides pain relief. If we haven't met, I'm Dr. Orlando Landrum, a regenerative medicine and interventional pain specialist who helps patients and individuals understand how to be able to punch pain in the face and get back to leading the life that you deserve. Today, we're going to talk about dry needling versus acupuncture. When we talk about dry needling, it typically focuses only on muscular pain. And its context is used within using a small, thin needle, similar to what one might have when doing acupuncture. The gauge or size of the needle is very similar in nature. And the way that it focuses on muscle pain and specific elements of the muscle is it focuses on a discrete definition that's called a trigger point. So a trigger point happens to be a muscle or area that is really in spasm and not in its normal native state. And so that squeeze, that spasm, that tightness is frequently the initial element that is causing resulting pain. And so what dry needling attempts to do is it looks to try to take that squeeze, that compression, and release it. And the way that it releases the knot is by insertion of a small, thin needle, and that needle is then manipulated using different types of techniques. Sometimes those needle techniques are things like pistoning or sparrowing, where if this pen was a needle, it's placed within the context of the trigger point, and it's just up and down motion in and out in order to generate that, take that spasm and cause a release. And that is how dry needling works. It's used for multiple different parts of the body, not only for the elements of the distal limbs, but also in certain regions of the trunk in order to be able to improve pain. Many common side effects are the same side effects that you would get with any type of needle procedure, and that happens to be things like bruising and some soreness. On the other hand, you have acupuncture, which really focuses on the connection to the body as a whole. It focuses on releasing chi and restoring natural energy flow. And there's a number of different treatments that are not just focused on pain, but have pain relieving benefits, as well as acupuncture has been studied to look at different releases of endorphins and other natural humors of the body, natural mediators of the body that are able to provide benefits for both pain relief as well as other improvements in your overall health. Question of the day. Have you had dry needling or acupuncture, and for what reason? If it was for the reason of pain, please tell us whether you had some degree of benefit or not. If you found this video helpful, by all means, please hit the like button so that we can have greater reach to impact people's lives so they can have improved pain and be able to know all their options. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.